Today on Animal Tracker.
We are at the lair nest of the golden mighty cheetah. We are ready to hunt. It is dangerous. We must be careful.
We need light.
Oh, look, a light in the middle of the abandoned desert thing. Okay, come on. Come over here. Come on. Take the weapon. We are going to see it for the furthest.
It's on, I believe it's on the nest.
Oh, it is on the nest.
We gotta pull it out. I'll push the nest to you.
Oh my gosh. I need the camera to go over here. Quick, come here, come here. Ah! It's looking at me. Come here, lay down. Get under here. I gotta try and grab it. I need you to hold this. Do this. Do what I'm doing.
With a back scratcher. Seems to be enjoying it. I don't know why.
Hold the light on it, Katie. Lay down, that bitch. Lay down and hold the light on it so you can see it in the camera. You see.
Joey, I'm right to you.
It is hard to tame.
On the middle.
Yeah. There's the nest.
It's come to you again. It's gone.
There's muscles.
I don't know how to get it out.
It bit me! Oh my god. It bit me. I've patched up my finger. I'm gonna attempt to grab it. I have it. Oh, it's putting up a fight. Come on, God. It's so busy. Shoot it. Shoot it. I don't know how to turn it on.